been a while since I talked about any developer tool, and this might be the time we need to talk about. So this is a basically Sheet Sandbox. This is a product name which turns your Google Sheets into your MVP database. As they claim, this is the fastest way for developers to store waitlist, feedback, and all that stuff without creating another database instances. What they do is connect your sheet, auto-generated token API, and that's it that you're ready to use. They have like 2 or 3 ways to connect it. You have Node.js package, Python package, and since all my homeboys love JavaScript, we will go with the JavaScript for the demonstration. They have like free tier, pro tier, and again, I'm going with the free tier. Here's they have like zero. They claim you don't need a backend for the new backend. You just need to create an API, and that's all you need. And yep, this is their basic footer. So I created a very interesting demonstration app. I created a very join waitlist app, which is simple. You just have to enter a waitlist and it will automatically shave into your Google Sheet. And that's it. It's a great thing, right? You don't need a especially backend. You just connect it with your sheet and it's working. For example, let's test it. Contact, which is a real actual Gmail, by the way, pext.org. And once I click on join now, it will take some time. And yep, it's joined. It will refresh this list. And here we can see our contact list. Let's see our sheet. It is updated, right? All right. Yep, it is updated. You can see right now contacts.pext.org with the proper date and source. Okay, this is working. I'm very happy with this entire system. So let's see how I code this. Okay, this is basically interface of main.js, which is like probably the important part of this code. This is the const API key. Definitely I will remove this after the video recording. And this is the basic interface of, how we'll fetch the data. And one important code point I want to say, this is the basically API, endpoint, which is needed for, saving this entire sheets. How we do that, let me show you exactly. Okay, so this is control panel of the Sheet Sandbox. You just have to click on initialize new API. You have to give your name of your instance and then paste your Google spreadsheet link. For example, this is the link. I just pasted it here and that's it. It's done. So yeah, I think this is a very interesting product. I will definitely want to try this out in the future. Well, let's see who developed this. So this is the developer named Arvind Kumar Vermula. And yep, I think I kind of like this. Okay, so let's just click on follow button. I have to log in. Bye.